President ko all Khasi Hills Achek Federation, Cliff Star, CH Marak, Lepen Pau Kajing Sngewnguh na kinong elam jong ni kaseng bat ya Baroh kitu beladon kiti ban Iarap iki Lanot, na kajing Shlei bat kajing tua khandau hakini gibanai belala. Kijing Shlei bat kajing tua khandau gila jah ki babon ki Shillong ha East, South East bat West Khasi Hills District, hagi babon ki Long Ying bat ki Minsim Breu ki la Jular bat du not. Kani ka sayang kalpan pau ka jing Sngewnguh kerpang yo Chief Minister, ki DC, ki SP, ki BSF, ki MLA, ki MDC, ki seng balang beper, ki seng reuniam, bad ki riu shimet ki bala kener kti, ban ya ai jing Iarap ya ki Lanot hagi babon ki Shillong jong kita ki district.
Very good afternoon to all. Today I'm so glad to say thanks to all those who help us in our helpless moment. I'm Sri Clivester Marak, President of All Khasi Hills Achek Federation Akhaf, from Shillong headquarters. Today I would like to say thanks those who are help us in our area from Southwest Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, and East Khasi Hills. On the 16th June 2022, the heavy rainfalls and badly affected to the area. No house, no shelter, no food, no road connection, road blockade, no market, like that. Many people are so many grievances on the time, but suddenly, fortunately, one aircraft has come to see the incident area from Shillong, and they went back to the Shillong, and the next day, two aircraft has come, brought the different commodities like rice, dal, sugar, and anything which is necessary commodities they brought here and supplied and required to the people. So I would like to thank my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister and his government colleagues and MLA, MDC, DC, Police Department, and BSF, and different church and NGOs, and our ex-MLA from Ranikor constituency, Sri Sngewnguh. He also provide some relief to the people which is lying in the badly affected area. So I would like to thank them to all. God bless them to all, and long live Meghalaya, long live India. Thank you.